Since the pandemic began, consumers are creating more meals at home and they're looking for new food options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. As well, they're keen to try meal kits and new takeaway options that will make it easier for them to feed their families. Today, we're putting the spotlight on sunflower oil. Let's move on now to the creation of a vinaigrette that is ideal for green salads as well as grain and protein bowls, which are very popular nowadays. Today, I'm going to be making a salad with tomato, cucumber, and ciabatta croutons. I'm going to finish it off by adding some pan-seared halloumi cheese. So we're going to start this recipe by grilling the halloumi, and I'm going to start by just putting a little bit of sunflower oil onto the pan, and I'm going to do 2 pieces of halloumi. So I'm going to start making the vinaigrette. I'm going to start with some Dijon mustard, some garlic, a little bit of salt, black pepper, and white balsamic vinegar. And the reason I'm using a white balsamic vinegar is the beautiful colors of the tomatoes, the cucumber. I don't want to put a dark balsamic vinegar into it to cover those beautiful flavors. Now I'm going to start adding the sunflower oil. What's really nice about the sunflower oil is it has such a neutral flavor, so it's perfect for vinaigrettes, sauces, and marinades, because it allows all the flavors to come through due to it being such a neutral flavor. And there's our vinaigrette finished. So let's flip the halloumi cheese. That looks fantastic. Now I'm going to finish the salad. So I've got beautiful cucumbers, yellow tomatoes, red tomatoes. I'm going to add in some toasted ciabatta croutons, some torn basil, and now I'm going to put the white balsamic vinaigrette on top of the salad and then toss it all together. Such a perfect time of year with all the tomatoes just coming through now. Okay, so that is ready. Bring my plate over. I'm going to do a nice portion of the salad. My halloumi cheese is almost ready. There, let's put that on top. 2 lovely pieces of grilled halloumi cheese. And what's nice about the sunflower oil is it has a high heat point, so it's perfect for like grilling and sauteing. And now we're just going to finish it off with a little sprig of some fresh basil. And there we have our grilled halloumi.